This is a Bristol version on how to repair an induction hob heater. What you'll normally find when you've taken it apart is on the power board or somewhere, anywhere near the power board, you'll see this. And it'll say fuse 1 and fuse 2, but there are no fuses. There are PCB traces underneath that blow, so you have to either repair that trace or better it by putting fuses in. That would be even better, wouldn't it? But there you go, that's what will blow. And what caused that to blow was an IGBT. We've got a few here, and it was that one there that blew. I've replaced it. Now the unit works properly. If you want to see how to test one of these, I'll show you my way. So 9-volt battery, LED resistor and a functioning IGBT. To turn it off, all you need to do is short the source and gate, if I can. No. Yep, it's gone off. And to turn it on, apply a signal to it. The LED comes on. Turn it off again. Sorry, I'm not good at this. Now it's off. That's a functioning one. If that doesn't work, it's no good, and that will be a problem. Sorted.